news. Gay couples across the United States, including those here in Virginia, can now be legally married. About 2 hours ago, the Supreme Court said it would not take up same-sex marriage appeals in 5 states. Couples will be able to get married starting at 1 o'clock today. Our Brandy Cummings is in the newsroom with the details of this decision. Brandy?
Well, Don, lots of reactions still coming into the Wavy newsroom this afternoon. We can tell you again this morning the Supreme Court cleared the way for an immediate expansion of same-sex marriage by unexpectedly rejecting the appeals from 5 states that were trying to prohibit gay and lesbian unions. Now, those 5 states include Virginia, Indiana, Oklahoma, Utah, and Wisconsin. There were 6 other states where lower courts struck down bans pending the Supreme Court's ruling. Now, those 6 states are Colorado, Kansas, North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, and Wyoming. Now, couples in those states should be able to get married soon. There were no other state cases currently pending, but the justices did not address the question of same-sex marriage nationwide. Still, those 11 states would bring the number of states where same-sex marriage is legal to 30, plus the District of Columbia. And many, Don, I got off a conference call just a few moments ago, many with reaction, many couples having the reaction saying this is a historic day. Don, back to you.
And lots more reaction coming in as we speak, Brandy. Thank you very much. Now let's send it out to Erin Kelly now. She's in Norfolk. And Erin, you're at the courthouse, and couples may be able to marry there in less than an hour.
Well, that's according to the Attorney General, Mark Herring. We are here at Circuit Court. I just went inside to talk to them about it inside here. They say they're waiting for the clerk to arrive. He's expected to be here momentarily. We hope to get more information from him. They tell us the form is ready, but they are just waiting on that order, an order that we expect will come down at 1 o'clock today. We are going to be here at the Circuit Courthouse to see if people come here and apply for those licenses. This is where they will come to get those marriage licenses. We will be here. We'll have much more for you coming up on Wavy News 10 beginning at 4. Live in Norfolk, Erin Kelly, 10 on your side.
All right, Erin, thank you. A local couple filed suit against the Commonwealth same-sex marriage ban. Now, we've spoken to them about developments in this case several times. Tim Bostic says it's a great day to be a Virginian and a great day to be an American. Today, he says, we've made history in the South, and he can't wait for the day all Americans can enjoy the same rights. Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe applauded the Supreme Court's actions today. He said Virginia is already well prepared to implement this historic decision. Going forward, we will act quickly to continue to bring all of our policies and practices into compliance so that we can give marriages between same-sex partners the full faith and credit they deserve. Equality for all men and women, regardless of their race, color, creed, or sexual orientation, is intrinsic to the values that make us Virginians. And now it is officially inscribed in our laws as well. As you can imagine, reaction on both sides of this issue has been pouring in. We got this statement from Equality Virginia. After decades of work to change hearts and minds, the freedom to marry is now a reality. This is such an exciting and historic day, and we are thrilled for the thousands of couples whose relationships and families will now be recognized by the Commonwealth of Virginia. Senator Tim Kaine says he's celebrating the end of a discriminatory ban. He released this statement earlier. Quote, today we have taken a major step toward Jefferson's ideal that all men are created equal. The Supreme Court of the United States started a new term today. Its decision not to hear the gay marriage cases comes as a surprise. Most legal experts expected the court to take up the case, saying it was too controversial not to get involved. And we've been following this case over the past couple of months. We've spoken to the couple who filed that marriage lawsuit in the past, and you can find that and more of our in-depth coverage on Wavy.com. Our Erin Kelly is working on this story today, and look for an update from her when Wavy News 10 picks up again at 4.